I made a very easy decision to create my own vodka.
Not sell vodka.
No.
Create.
No, yes.
Vodka.
I made the juice. It took me 2 years to like perfect it exactly the way I wanted it. And
it's beautiful to look at, by the way.
Thank you. I felt like vodka was missing a beautiful bottle.
I agree with you.
Right? So I wanted to like do a craft vodka, make a really pretty
presentation. Bring some elegance to the vodka table.
And then I'm a vodka drinker.
You're a dirty martini girl,
I'm
right?
a dirty martini girl. Women, we're predominantly vodka drinkers, statistically. So I wanted to make it super clean. So it's non-GMO corn. I distilled it 1 million times, which is 7.
Let's make cocktails, man.
Let's do it, let's do it.
We're talking. You want to make your favorite, and I'll try and follow the recipe for this one?
Okay.
What are we making over here?
Well, you're making the pomegranate sour.
Pomegranate sour, okay.
And
so, the vodka.
Oh, that was a
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
So, King
Are we
Street
both doing this?
Premium Vodka. You make yours, I'll make this one for you.
All right, so we're not talking.
We're talking. Why is it called King Street Vodka?
It's called King Street because I lived in New York actually most of my adult life. And I lived on King Street for a good
King
decade.
Street.
That's right. And it
Which is
was
also
like,
a fantastic restaurant, too.
Yes, it is on the corner.
Yep.
And now I'm forgetting what I'm doing, but I'm going to do a little bit of this. So basically, it was one of those places where it's a nostalgic street for me. So when I was thinking about what I was going to name the vodka, I just thought about like the times in my life that were really
fun and
filled with like community, and everybody would stop over, and it was a fun time.
We are going to put the proper recipe for these lovely cocktails online because I think we probably both really messed ours up. But mine was a little brown sugar syrup. Pomegranate juice.
I have these on the website for the King Street.
And we'll put it on ours too, of course, and link you through. I've already mixed my guy in here. Not bad.
Not bad.
Let's put some more antioxidants in it.
I'm going antioxidant free. I've already had my antioxidants, so I'm gonna,
A dirty martini with a giant olive, no?
Oh, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, let's sit down, because then you can talk.